In this video, you will learn how to add the website widget to your Arreya presentation. To begin, log into your channel. In your dashboard, click on the Content menu at the top of the page and then click on Presentations. Click the green edit icon on your existing presentation to launch the Arreya Creative Studio. On the top menu bar, click Widgets, then click Website. The top section shows a preview of how the website will appear. Below the preview, you will find the widget settings. The website widget can display content from other websites. The site must be secure. The URL must start with HTTPS, and the site must also allow the embed permission. First, choose the widget format. Your options are to use a URL input or embed code. If you wish to input your website by using an embed code, copy and paste your code into the embed code field. Use the Interactive tab to allow the website to remain interactive in your presentation. Use the Scrollable tab to allow users to scroll through the web page that you have linked to in your presentation. If you wish to input your website by using a URL input, enter your URL into the URL field. When you are finished with the settings, click on the OK button to add the website widget to your page. Drag the widget to move it or use the bounding box to resize it. Click the purple brush icon below the widget to open the Style settings. In the Style settings, you have options for the color, transparency, borders, shadows, and more. When finished, click OK. If you want to adjust the widget settings after adding it to the page, click the purple gear icon below the widget to open the Settings menu. If you need additional website widgets, you can add more from the Widgets menu and repeat these steps. When you're finished, click on the green Push Live button to update your presentation.